Hey everybody, I'm Zachary Bach, your real estate professional. Today we're out here at 40120 Grenache Court in the beautiful city of Murrieta in the highly sought after community of Vintage Reserve. It's got branding flooring, it has an updated kitchen, it has a detached third car garage, but really the highlight is of course this pool and the backyard. Let's take a swim with the ducks and then let's go check out your new. Just off the entry is a front room and the formal dining area, which has a great view of the pool. Directly off the dining area, you'll find the kitchen. And this kitchen, it's been completely remodeled. You've got new cabinets, stainless steel appliances, you've got new counters, and a great extended island to eat a meal at. Directly off the kitchen, you've got the living room. The living room has a fireplace, plenty of natural light, and it's a great size. Let's go check out upstairs. When this house was originally built, this was an optional bedroom. These owners, they actually decided to go with a retreat. Aside from the pool and the hot tub, one of the best features of this backyard is this custom barbecue island. It's got shaded as a barbecue, seating all the way around, but more than that, it's perfect for enjoying a tasty beverage on a beautiful Southern California night. Thank you so much for tuning into this home tour. If you have questions about this listing or any other listing, feel free to give me a call at 951-401-5025. Thank you so much.